Good evening, everyone. Let's take a look here. Behind me I have my Nash 17K, and what I'm going to do tonight is clean up my stabilizer jacks. This RV hasn't been used a whole lot in the last few years from the previous owner, and the stabilizer jacks are pretty rusty. So my technique for cleaning them is a wire brush, a power drill. You take a close look, you can see that the jack screw is pretty rusty. This one's bad enough where I can't get it to go up or down with my drill. So we'll run it up and down a few times with the hand crank. There, that's loosened it up quite a bit. And a lot of the issue with its stiffness is right back here. I've sprayed a little bit of PB Blaster. You can use a variety of things. WD-40, silicone spray. If some of your jack screws are really badly rusted like this one is, I'll use a wire brush in my drill. Once I have a bunch of the rust cleaned off, then I will use a can of brake cleaner to clean the threads. And after that, we'll let that dry, and then I will spray some silicone spray on the threads and run the jack up and down a few times.